What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to this channel, and today we're gonna talk about how to fix your AirPods Pro case is not charging. A lot of people are saying they're having issues with their charging. They cannot charge it even with their MagSafe charger. Now at this point, how can you fix this problem? Okay, now I'm gonna just go ahead and show you some cool way to fix the problem. Alright guys, now the first way to fix the problem is simple. You simply can change your charger and adapter to check whether it is working or not. So sometimes if your charger or the adapter is faulty, the new charging cable and adapter can fix your problem. But be sure to use the Apple authentic product, especially the charging cable, to fix your problem. Now even after that, if you're still having the same problem guys, the next thing that I'm going to go ahead and show you is very useful. Now just go ahead and use your cable and then simply place it in there, and afterward just go ahead and use your finger and just do a little press, and then go ahead and just simply press your back button. Okay, now go ahead and just press and hold this button and keep holding it until you see that orange color or the red color appears on your lightning point. Okay, now just go ahead and keep doing that. Now once you've seen these colors coming on, just go ahead and leave them out. Afterward, just simply go ahead and close your case to check whether your case is taking the charge or not. Okay, and now let's say you have tried this process as well but still didn't help you to fix your problem. Now how can you do further? Now the next process you simply can use that MagSafe charger. Although I've mentioned that a lot of people still are having problem with their MagSafe charger, but you still can try one trick. Just go ahead and just leave your case on top of your MagSafe chargers, but be sure to place it in the middle. Okay, sometimes if you just leave it in a side, probably it will not work. Okay, so make sure to place it in the middle, and then at the same time, like I said earlier guys, go ahead and change your adapter and just go ahead and charge it. Okay, now go ahead and place your AirPods Pro on the middle surface of your MagSafe charger and check whether the orange color is popping on or not. Now if you see the orange color is popping on the screen, that means your AirPod is taking a charge. Okay, now afterward your problem will be solved. Now even after that, if you see nothing is working at all, then the next things you have to do guys, you need to just leave your AirPod for overnight charging. Okay, now how can you do it? Okay, now before you go to bed, just go ahead and leave your AirPod Pro in the charge, and just go ahead and get up in the morning and check whether your AirPod Pro is taking charge or not. Okay, so a lot of people are saying that after doing this process they actually solved their problem. Well, lastly, if none of this process works to you guys, then it can be the hardware related issue. So in that case, you got to go to the Apple Care, and hopefully they will take care of everything about your AirPods Pro case, and if it has any other related problem, they will hopefully solve this problem for you. Okay, so this is how you can fix that problem guys. Hope this video is informative. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you all later.